Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter with charging option. So now that a lot of devices no longer have a headphone jack, but they do have a USB-C port, you can still connect a wired headphone, but sometimes that means that you can no longer charge your device. But there are adapters that have a separate connector for charging. So I bought this Ugreen adapter. It has a DA converter. I would say don't buy the analog ones for like $1 or $2 or $3, something like that, because the analog ones probably will give a lot of electrical noise or interference. So let's open the package. So here you can see 2-in-1 audio adapter. It says 32-bit, 384 kilohertz. Well, not really sure if that's 100% true, but there is a DA converter. So we'll assume it should have a decent audio quality. And there's a sticker here. Well, let's use the scissors. Let's try to use the scissors. Well, doesn't look like it wants to cooperate. Okay. So, user instruction. Some more paperwork. Well, it shouldn't be too complicated. So, this will go into the device, a phone or a tablet, something like that. Now this is magnetic. So you can see headphone jack and USB-C port. So let's get a tablet here. So we'll connect it to the USB-C port and we'll connect power. So it's charging. And let's see. I have headphones with a microphone. So if I connect those, then hopefully you can see that it shows a headphone with, on the right hand side, the microphone. Perhaps not really that easily visible, but you can see that the right hand side is a little bit different from the left hand side from the headphone. So let's try to play some audio. So we have Big Buck Bunny. So I hope you can hear something from the headphones. And I'm going to test, let's just say the microphone. So I'm going to whisper something in the microphone, and I'll try to do it very softly so that it doesn't record from the microphone from the tablet itself. So let's try a little test. So if I take the headphone out, so it also records from the microphone from the headphone jack. So yeah, I think this is like a good option if you want to use your wired headphone with modern mobile devices that no longer have a headphone jack. So again, I would advise to get one with a DA converter, because the analog ones, then you risk that you get like electrical noise or interference in the audio signal. So this is all for now, and hope to see you again in my next video.